Hello, this is Dana Gramillion. This is week 6, and today we're talking about relational versus non-relational databases. And today I'm going to argue for relational databases are not going to go extinct. Granted, anything can happen in the tech world. Someone can create the next biggest thing tomorrow, and then it could. But for the foreseeable future, I don't see relational databases going away. Mostly just because they've been around for so long. They've been around since the 70s. And they've been tested and trusted across organizations, across different departments in those organizations, that the relational database structure works the best. Mostly just for the pure reliability of it. It's coded in a strong language that is consistent, something that's not going to be changing. And unlike the non-relational databases, I could see them having a foothold in the future, but I don't see them in the short time being overtaking relational databases. The one thing that non-relational databases have going for them is that they have this flexible data model. People can control what documents, the graphs, kind of the key values, they can kind of form it to the way that they want it to work. And that's great if they want that, but I believe an organization would rather have the reliability and the stability of a relational database because they know it works, they know how it works. Multiple people from outside the organization can come in and just start on it day one. When you have this flexible data model, it may be something your organization wants, but you don't know if it's going to work for sure. You don't know where the pitfalls could be. And someone coming from outside the organization, you may have to train them 100% on how that flexible data model works. While relational databases, it's a standard. It's sort of. It's something that people have been doing for so many years that they know how it works. It's tested that they don't have to relearn it every place that they go to. Now, the biggest pull that relational or non-relational databases say that they have is the scalability and performance. And that's all well and good, but if you outweigh speed for reliability, I would take reliability every time. The speed may be quicker on this non-relational database, but there's more spots for it to fail. There's more spots for it to not return the right data or have an error come up and something breaks. I would rather take a little bit slower speed and have the reliability to know that it's always going to stay there. Now, there is this growing want for these non-relational databases like it had in our lectures and kind of our notes for different things to read this week. But overall, I believe relational databases are where it's going to be for a very long time, just because of the pure amount that it's integrated into the giant organizations of today. It's going to take a long time for them to either phase them out for something different or a big cultural change in the IT world to make that change. But as for the time being, the reliability, the standard structure, and kind of the common code that relational databases use, I believe far outweighs anything that relational databases can provide, such as scalability or the flexible model. So, in the time being, relational databases are where it's going to be. Thanks. Let me know your comments. Love having a discussion with you guys. Thanks.